Let's create a 24 game in Xcode. Okay, Xcode. Create a new Xcode project. Just accept the default iOS single view app and next. Okay, product name 24, why not? Next. Create. Cool. Select 9.7-inch simulator and run it. Make sure everything's fine. Nice. The empty app works. Stop it. Go to main.storyboard. Let's try to build our user interface. Our plan is we'll put 4 labels to represent our 4 cards. So first of all, let's switch to the iPad 9.7 template. Okay, we can use 2 fingers in the trackpad to adjust this size, you see? Okay. And click here to grab a label to our screen. Yeah, it's very small. So let's make it bigger. So click this icon to go to the property of the label. So here, the font size, we can click that. The T icon to increase, we can set, for example, 64 for that. So let's put because this guy will represent one of our 4 cards. So let's put a dummy car, say 7, enter. Okay, we can lay out it somewhere here, for example, our first car. Let's run it. Yes, our first car there, but it's static. It never change, right? So we can add a button. So every time when we click the button, we can change its value. So stop it. And now this time let's grab a button. So click that. Here, the second line, the button, we can drag and drop. Let's increase its title font size. So we'll also use 64 button. Okay. We can change the title to say next. Okay. And put it down here. Let's run it. Make sure the button works like a button. Yeah, let's click it. You see? It performs like a button. Cool. So next, we need to write some code to add the logic. Every time when we click the button, we should be able to change the value of the 7. Now this time, we needed to put two things side by side on the screen, two panels. One is this guy, the other this guy here, and we can, to save some space, we can hide this one, and we can hide this part by click here, and we can hide the bottom console by click this guy, and we can hide these selections, simulator selections by click this one. Okay. Now, hold on Option key and click the file view controller like that. It will appear on the right. So now we'll build the connection between this button and the code. Here is the magic. Hold on Ctrl key and drag to here. Release. The connection will be an action here. So give it a name. Let's put next hand. Okay. So it means next hand of our 24 game. Now connect. So let's put some code here to make sure the button works. Every time when we click the button, the code inside this block will be run, will be executed. So the simplest code is print out something, enter. Let's print out something like button clicked or button touched. Okay, let's give it a try, run it. Let's move it to the left. So when we click the button, see, button touched, right here on bottom console. Yeah. So it means we have the control of our code, our program. Now, let's stop it and try to add some real logic. So, before that, we need to build a connection between this label and our code. So we'll Control drag this label to somewhere here. So let's make some room here. And now, again, hold on Control key and drag here. So this time the connection is outlet. Let's give it a name. Since it's a label, let's use like car 1 label connect. Okay, so this variable will represent this UI label on the screen. So we don't need this empty line. So go back to here. So we can use card 1 label dot text equals, say, let's change it from 7 to 5. Let's run again. Give it a try. Click the next button. Boom. The 7 changes to 5. Yeah, it works. Okay. As the homework, can you try to add other 3 UI labels? So we have 4 labels to represent our 4 cards of the 24 game. Okay? Cool. See you next time.